Hey guys, Jesse Ness, owner of Walleye Direct. Wanted to give you guys a demonstration today. I get this question all the time from our customers: how do you cook your fish? So I want to go with the most basic recipe, so no matter, there's no growing in the grocery store, you can do this camp, you can do this anywhere. We're gonna go with, all you need is flour, oil, and pepper. So we already started out here. We got, we patted dry the fillets. We're gonna put them in some flour. Actually, we'll add some pepper. So our first batch over here didn't have any pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. This is just flour here, just flour right from the, just regular flour. Pop this in here. All right, smell the pepper, get that ready. Get our other perch. The perch here, these are butterfly fillets, so this is both sides of the fish. Get a little bit more on there. All right, get that one ready. We got some bluegills. These are just for identification. These are always single fillets, and they're a little taller, fatter fish. So this is what they look like. Looks even better when they're completely fried. Add this one in. All right. So here's our plate of fish, pre-breaded. Take this over to the deep fryer. So nothing crazy here. I turned this dial all the way over to the right, 375, plugged it in, super hard. All right, we'll get this ready. Got this big perch, we'll get him right there. Put a little bluegill there. This other bluegill. Could probably put one more in there. We'll just go with this and see how it goes. We're gonna give this about probably 2 to 3 minutes. So let's see how it goes.